In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Webex meeting link. Whether you're setting up a virtual meeting for work, school, or a casual catch up with friends, knowing how to quickly generate a meeting link can make the process seamless and efficient. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to navigate to webex.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or simply search for Webex in your search engine. Once you're on the Webex homepage, make sure you're logged in with your credentials. If you haven't signed in yet, look for the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email and password to access your account. Being logged in is crucial as it allows you to access the full range of Webex's features, including creating meeting links. Once inside your account, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, amongst the various options, you'll find the Meetings tab. Click on this tab to proceed. This section is your hub for scheduling new meetings, managing existing ones, and of course, creating meeting links. If you're doing this for the first time, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll find it quite intuitive, designed to help you organize and streamline your meetings with minimal hassle. After clicking on Meetings, you'll see a list of your scheduled meetings, if you have any. But what you're really looking for is the option to generate a meeting link. It should be clearly visible on this page. The Webex interface is user-friendly, so finding the meeting link option should be straightforward. The meeting link is essentially the gateway for your invitees to join the session, so it's important to know where to locate this feature. Now, when you see the meeting link, the next step is to click on Copy. This action will copy the meeting link to your clipboard, making it ready for you to paste it wherever you need. Whether you're sending out invites via email, sharing the link in a group chat, or adding it to a calendar event, copying the link is crucial. It's a simple yet indispensable step in ensuring your invitees have the correct access point to your meeting. And there you have it. You've successfully created and copied a WebEx meeting link. Remember, the key to a smooth virtual meeting experience is preparation. By having the meeting link ready and easily accessible, you ensure that all participants can join without any confusion or delays. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to create a Webex meeting link. With these steps, you can efficiently set up your virtual meetings and keep your professional or personal engagements running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching and happy meeting.